Math Heuristics. The method of simplifying the problem. Let's look at an example. On a particular day, Geraldine spent 4 times as much as Emily, while Felicia spent 3/4 as much as Emily. If Felicia spent $45, how much did Geraldine spend? Let's use 3 units to represent Felicia's spending. Emily's spending would be 4 units. Geraldine's spending would be 4 units times 4, which is 16 units. 3 units equals $45. 1 unit equals $45 divided by 3, which is $15. 16 units equals $15 times 16, which is $240. Geraldine spent $240. Thank you very much for watching our video. If you find this video useful, please help to like and share it. Do subscribe to our channel if you have not done so.